Hello and welcome to this video. OEC Trader here, which I have a DOM open for, offers many convenient and pretty quick options to use for bracket orders within the DOM window. So I want to show you one of those bracket order features here that will allow you to take advantage of breakout situations or the breakout option here within OEC Trader. So let's go ahead and view our DOM here. I just have a regular E-mini S&P 500 futures contract as an example in front of us. And if we go to our toolbar right next to the histogram here, which we can enable on or off in our toolbar, we also have something called breakout brackets. So if I were to select that, that's actually going to expand my DOM window here, and we'll be able to from here set up a bracket order. Now, if I wanted to enable those, of course, we'll just select the enable bracket, breakout bracket orders there. We have the option to set in order type. I'm going to choose the stop type here for my order type. And what we have now are the buy factor and the sell factor. Now, the buy factor and the sell factor are going to be how far away from the price that I choose that we want to set those bracket orders. And you can see if I were to select these, it's actually going to adjust that. So we can even kind of preview how far it is on the DOM. You see that green in the bid column there, kind of going up and down according to my mouse, and the red in the ask column doing the same thing. So that's going to be our buy factor and sell factor, where those orders that are waiting to be filled there or kind of resting there in anticipation will be placed. So that kind of gives you another visual indicator there of those different levels, and you can even compare that with the histogram there. So it's a really useful tool as far as that goes. So I'm going to choose here just a point and a quarter for both of them. They're independent, so you don't have to necessarily have a even distance there or even factor for those. So we also have a stop limit factor that's included on the order type if necessary for your specific strategy. We also have profit and loss targets that will be accompanied with those orders and released if that order were to fill, whichever side. If it happens to, if market price happens to reach one of those, it will then deploy those profit and loss targets here. So we can set those up. Set my stop loss up here for a point and a quarter, and then I'm going to actually bump up my profit target here, maybe to 2 points. And you can see we have that ready. We also have the option to release these different breakout brackets at a certain time. So if we don't want to place that manually, you can actually set up a time to release that and cancel that. So that's another convenient option within OEC Trader. So let's go ahead and try placing one of these. We have that enabled and we set that up. Now I just went ahead and clicked right on the price that I wanted to, and you'll see that I have here these different orders in front of me here. So we have the order here shown, and we also have the order here shown, and we also have the orders that would be attached with those shown as well here. You can see kind of the direction denoted by either a 1 or a +1 there. So that's there, and we can of course cancel these orders if we wanted to, even individually, and so forth. So as far as breakout brackets, OEC Trader offers a pretty quick way to do that. So if you wanted to use those, feel free to select again that breakout brackets icon on the toolbar, and you'll be allowed to go ahead and fill that out according to your strategy. If you have any questions about the breakout brackets or OEC Trader in general, please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email at any time.